pertain to where we are now. You know, he talks in this song about people losing their homes to the banks, of families having to travel vast distances and be apart from the work, of rich people making huge amounts of money on the stock market gambling while ordinary working people struggle to make ends meet, and of people who are dying for want of proper health care. These things that Woody wrote about all those years ago. We still have to deal with, except we don't in my country. Nobody in my country dies for want of proper health care anymore. And it's difficult. It's difficult for us to understand in a country so powerful and rich and compassionate as yours, why you haven't developed a universal healthcare system that takes care of people free at point of need. We find that we're always troubled by the gun thing, but in some ways you can understand where that logic comes from. I've seen the flag of California. If I had a great big bear living in my state, I'd probably want something potent to keep it away from the bins late at night. So there's a logic. There's a logic in that. But there doesn't seem to me to be any logic in getting ill or being in an accident and then even having to wait and see if your insurance covers that. That to me seems to be an added level of misery. That is unnecessary. And I know you're taking small steps towards it, and believe me, it's not hard, it's not an easy thing to achieve, it's a really hard thing to achieve, and then once you've got it, it's hard to maintain. And our free health system in the UK is constantly under threat from people who would privatise and bring payment in there. You have to staunchly defend it. But it is fundamentally, I think, what a civilised society is about. When I see the lengths to which your legislators go to close the Yellowstone National Park, because some people don't want universal health care. It's really crazy. It's almost like Monty Python. And when I hear the legislators decrying it as socialism, you bet your arse it's socialism. I'll tell you why. Because at heart, socialism is not worthy of the name unless it is, at its very core, a form of organised compassion. An idea that we are in this together, that there is such thing as society. Don't imagine that we don't feel that the individual is important in the UK. We do. We do think the individual is the most important facet in society. We also happen to believe that unless each individual is the recipient of free healthcare, free education, decent affordable housing and proper pensions, then only the rich and powerful will get to express their individuality, and the rest of us will never reach our full potential. So that's what socialism is about. I think all the other things that we talked of in this song, we can still see today clearly. They are abject failures of the capitalist system. But the lack of a free universal health care in the United States of America, when we've achieved it in the UK and elsewhere, suggests something other than just part of capitalism. It's part of a society that needs to decide what kind of society is. And I have to think the United States of America is a bigger society and a more compassionate society than perhaps some of the people in the Congress and the Republican Party think it is. So I'm going to sing this song. Woody Guthrie wrote this song over 75 years ago. It's called I Ain't Got No Home in This World Anymore. I ain't got no home now, just roaming round, just a wandering worker. I go from town to town, the police make it hard for me, no matter where I go. I ain't got no home, home and drove me from my door. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. No, I ain't got no home in this world anymore. I was farming on the shares and always I was poor. My crops I laid into the banker's store, and my wife took down the dive all on the cabinet floor. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. No, I ain't got no home in this world anymore. I'm minding your minds and I gather in your corn. I've been working, mister, since the day that I was born. Now I worry all the time like I never did before. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. No, I ain't got no home in this world anymore. Now as I look around, it's mighty plain to see this world is such a strange and funny place to be, where the cameraman is rich while the working man is poor. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. No, I ain't got no